When we add them, this tab will be opened over here. So we have SmartArt Design, which is about the design and the color setup of this SmartArt that we've added over here. We can also convert it to another one. So we keep the data and convert this SmartArt to another one that we are seeking to use. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.